Namaste everyone.
Hey.
So
Namaste.
okay guys, you can turn your cameras on and just sit on your mat in any comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Take deep and slow inhalation and deep and slow exhalation. We will start our class by chanting one time of Om. Take a deep breath in. Now join your both palms. Slowly put on your head. Ask God to give us strength for today's class. And then gently open your eyes. Okay, everybody come and stand in front of a mat. Today we will do Ashtanga series. Take 1 feet distance from your mat. Inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Udvikshasana. To exhale, go fully forward down. Ready, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva. Sat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold 1. Breathing करिए, ujjayi breathing. Deep breath in, deep breath out. जितना हो सके. 2. अब push करिए, push your spine down. Is anyone else sound really quiet? Yes, Mia, are you asking something? Now bend, Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up to Urdhva Vrikshasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, come inhale again, raise both arms up. Do exhale. Am I audible? Do exhale, go forward. Okay. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. So exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale again. Raise your both arms up. To exhale. 3D inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Sat exhale. Again hold there, 5 breaths, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta bended, both knees jump front. Ashto exhale. Nava inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Okay, sun salutation B. Ekam inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up over your head for sun salutation B. Utkatasana. Do exhale. Go forward, down. Try to touch your forehead on your shin bone. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back chaturanga. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Sat exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Make front leg 90, back feet slightly 5 degrees in and push your pelvis down. Square your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, jump back, press your palms, take your right leg back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front between your both palms for warrior A. Hold into warrior A. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale again, go back Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up. Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastiti. Second round again, Ekam inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up over your head. Do exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Make warrior B from your right leg. Hold into warrior B. 1, 2. RSG, just maintain a balance in between. Don't lean forward, straight, and then push down. Okay? Nice. 2, 3. Mia, just push your hips more down. Try to move more further. Very nice. 4 and 5. Exhale again. Go back. Jump into the Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front between your both palms for warrior B. Hold into warrior B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva, and exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold into downward facing dog for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front to halfway, look up. Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, now just to Kati Chakrasana, twist yourself. Okay, come inhale, jump, open your legs for Padangushtasana. Open your both legs, shoulder width apart. You have to open your legs with aligned to your shoulders. Don't open your legs more. Okay, Mia, just close your leg more according to your shoulders length. Take an inhale, jump, open your legs, keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go fully forward down. Now grab your both big toes from your first two fingers. Inhale, look front, straight your elbows, lengthen your spine, keep your spine straight. And do exhale, go fully forward down. Look between the both legs. Then आरस जी अब अपने टोस को पकड़ के खींचिए, फॉरवर्ड बेंड करना है आपको. Look between your both legs and hold 1. Bend your both elbows outside, right side and left side. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front. Exhale, keep your palms on your waist. Inhale, don't come back directly, just keep your palms on your waist and then inhale, come up. Inhale, come up. Exhale again, jump back into Samasthiti. So now we'll do Padastasana. Take a inhale again, jump, open your legs, shoulder width apart. Keep your both palms on your waist. Exhale, go forward. Keep your both palms under your feet. Now you have to keep your both palms under your feet. Inhale, look front. Do it again. Exhale, bend your both elbows and look between your both legs and hold 1, 2, 3, and just try to do your knees straight. Your main motive is to keep your knees straight and straightening your spine. 4 and 5. Again, inhale, straight your elbows. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Again, jump back into Samasthiti. Okay, now we'll do Utthit Trikonasana. Just send your right leg back 4.5 feet apart. Turn your right toe out, left toe in, right toe out, and left toe in. Mia, just turn yourself right side, right toe out. We always do from right side in Ashtanga first, okay? Now keep your knees straight. Inhale, raise your both arms up by the side. Do exhale, grab your right big toe from your first two fingers. Left arm up, look at your left palm. Right side, right side. RSG, Trikonasana. Now, if you cannot grab your big toe, you can just keep your palm on your shin bone. Hold 1, look up. Now open your chest. Look up 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. 3, inhale, come up. Turn to the left side, left toe out, right toe in. Exhale, grab your left big toe. And inhale, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Chatwari, inhale, come up. Pancha, jump back into Samasthiti. Okay, now we'll do परिवर्तित त्रिकोणासना, revolved triangle pose. Again, send your right leg back 4.5 feet apart. Right toe out, left toe in, same. Now place your left palm out of your right feet and inhale right arm over your head. Left palm out of your right feet. Revolved triangle pose. Hold again, 1, 2, twist your spine, 3, don't push your hips back side, push your hips front, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, ready, inhale, come up, left toe out, right toe in. दिव्यानी जी थोड़ा सा लेग और खोलिए, डिस्टेंस बढ़ाइए लेग्स में. Okay, now place your right palm out of your left feet and left palm over your head, up. Hold again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chaturanga, exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. Pancha, jump back into Samasthiti. Again, send your right leg back for Utthit Parshvakonasana. Utthit Parshvakonasana. Send your right leg back again 4.5 feet apart. Now bend your right knee. Place your right palm out of your right feet and inhale left palm over your head. See, look here. Bend your right knee. Place your right palm out of your right feet. Left arm over your head. Open your chest like this. If you cannot place the palm, you can just simply keep your palm like this and stretch your upper hand. Again, hold 1. बेंड करिए. हाँ, बाहर से रख सकते हैं आरएस जी, बाहर से रख सकते हैं आप अपना हाथ. राइट नी के बाहर से जैसे आपने ऐसे रखा है ना. हाँ, ऐसे रखा हूँ. 2, होल्ड. 3, लेफ्ट आर्म को ऊपर नहीं, आगे स्ट्रेच करिए, आगे. 4 and 5. Exhale, look down. Ready, inhale, come up. Exhale, bend your left knee and go to the left side. Same. Place your left palm out of your left knee and right arm over your head. Again, hold 5. 4, पीछे से. आरएस जी पीछे, हाथ पीछे. 3, 2, and 1. Chaturanga, exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. Pancha, again, jump back into Samasthiti. Now we will do Parivartit Parshvakonasana. Again, send your right leg back 4.5 feet apart. Right, bend your right knee at 90. Now place your left elbow on your right knee. If you can grab your wrist behind your back, it will be more good. Okay, you keep your back knee straight, don't bend your knee, don't touch your knee on the floor. Yes, hold 1. You can make namaste or you can just grab your wrist behind your back. 2, open your chest. Your main motive is to twist yourself properly. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again. Look down, inhale, come up. Now turn your left leg out and right leg in. Now bend your left leg. Now place your right elbow on your left knee. Again, make namaste and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, Pancha, inhale, come up and jump back into Samasthiti. Now we will do Parasarita Paduttanasana. Now send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart again. Both toes front. Both toes front now. Keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go fully forward down. And keep your both palms between your both legs. Drop your both hands between your both legs. Inhale, look front, straight your elbows, lengthen your spine. And exhale, bend forward, try to touch your crown head on the mat. If you can. If you cannot, just hold it there, stretch yourself and hold it. 1. See, for touching your head, it is not important to touch your head, but it is important to keep your spine straight. So Mia, you're making hump on your back, so reduce that hump. Try to keep your spine straight and then try to touch your head. Hold 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your elbows. Exhale, keep your both hands on your waist, palms on your waist. Inhale all the way, come up. And exhale, release your hands. Now again with inhale, keep your palms on your waist. Inhale, look up. Push your both elbows closer to each other. Now you have to push your both elbows closer to each other. Exhale again, go down. Now you have to don't remove your hands from your waist. Just keep your hands on the waist and just try to touch your head. Keep your hands on the waist. Pull your elbows closer to each other. And now just go forward. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, all the way, come up. Exhale, release your hands. Again with inhale, interlock your fingers behind your back. Now rotate your palm out. Inhale again, look up and exhale, go forward. Try to touch your head on the mat and your fingers and hands on the floor. Hold there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, release your hand. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana D. Keep your both palms on the waist. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go forward. Now grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, look front. Properly stretch your spine. Pull your lumbar down, open your chest. Exhale, go forward from your hip joint and try to touch your head. Bend your both elbows by the side. Hold there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, keep your palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, jump back into Samasthiti. Okay, now we'll do pyramid pose. Again, send your right leg back. 4.5 feet apart. Turn your right toe out, left toe in. Now make Namaste behind your back. Make Namaste behind your back. Inhale again, look up and exhale, go forward towards your right leg and try to touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knee and head on your shin bone and hold there. Keep your knees straight. 1, 2, deep breath in, deep breath out. Breathing is very important. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Don't remove your hands. Keep your hands like this. Now left toe out, right toe in. Now go forward towards your left leg. Again, hold there. 5, 4, knee straight, everybody. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale all the way, come up. Step your right foot front and come front. Remove your hands, come into Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your hands. Do Kati Chakrasana. Okay, now we'll do Utthita Hasta Padangushtasana. You can take support of the wall as well if you cannot maintain the balance. Okay, now bend your right knee, grab your right big toe. Up, ऊपर उठाइए, leg को ऊपर उठाइए. Bend your right knee like this. Grab your right big toe. Straight your leg front. Keep your left palm on your waist to maintain your balance. Inhale. Go further slightly back. And with exhale, try to touch your head on your sing bone, or your chin on your sing bone, and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale again, come up. Take your right leg to the right side, look left side. Vam Parshu Drishti. When we see left side, the Drishti is known as Vam Parshu Drishti. Again, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, take your right leg front. Inhale and exhale. Again, touch your head. And release your leg for Ek Padasana in the air. Keep your both palms on the waist. Try to lift your leg without support. Hold. 1, pull your leg up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, leg down. Now change your leg, bend your left leg. Grab your left big toe from your first 2 fingers like this. Grab your, inhale again. Straight your leg. Exhale, try to touch your head on your leg. Keep your leg just front. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take your left leg to the left side, look right side, and when you see right side, it's known as Dakshina Parshu Drishti. Again, hold into 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take your left leg again front. Inhale and exhale, touch your head and remove your both hands and hold into Ek Padasana. 1, keep your knees straight, pull your toes in. 2, 3, don't go back, lean back, just be straight. 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your leg down, shake your legs. Okay, now we'll do Ardha Baddha Padma Padmottanasana. Okay, now bend your right leg over your left thigh. Right leg, first right leg. Now grab your right big toe with your right hand behind your back, like this. Grab. If you cannot grab, you can just maintain it like this. If you cannot grab it. Inhale, left arm up. And exhale, go forward down. Try to touch your head on your sing bone. Go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, drop your leg down. And then change your leg. Now bend your left leg over your right thigh. Inhale, take your left hand behind your back and grab your left big toe with your left hand. Again, inhale, right arm up and exhale, forward down and hold there for 5 seconds. 1, just feel this stretch coming from your leg. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, all the way, come up. Exhale, drop your leg, drop your hand, and again come for the Samasthiti. So here, okay, now come in front of the mat. Take 1 feet distance, take an inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasana. 2, exhale, go forward down. 3, inhale, look front. 4, exhale, jump back. 5, inhale, upward facing dog. 6, exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees and jump into Utkatasana, chair pose. And then hold into chair pose. This is also a pose in Ashtanga series, okay? 1, 2, remember the sequence, how we are doing it. 3, 4, 5, exhale, press your palms, lift your body up into handstand. Adho Urdhva Mukha, Adho Vrikshasana. In Sanskrit, we say handstand Adho Vrikshasana. Lift your body up and then exhale, jump back. Okay, I will show you the sequence, how you have to do it. Okay, so like you are in this position. So from here, press your palms, lift yourself up. Press your palms, lift yourself up, and then jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your right leg front for warrior A. Okay. So in Ashtanga series, remember the sequence, how you are doing it. We have to do it safe. If you cannot just lift up, then just press your legs and jump back. Okay. So bend your knees, jump back into Chaturanga. Yeah, very nice, RSG. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your right leg front. This is also pose in Ashtanga series. Come into warrior A. Hold into warrior A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now turn left side into warrior A only. Hold again. 5, 4. Mia, turn yourself right side, right toe out. Right side. Oh, sorry, left side. Turn yourself. Yeah. Warrior A, in warrior A. Yeah, okay. Now open your hands for warrior B from your left leg. Just make warrior B, open your hands. 1, 2, look at your left fingers. 3, left hand. 4, and 5. Now turn yourself to the right side. Don't drop your hands, just turn yourself. Again, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, press your palms and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Come into downward facing dog. Just relax yourself for a few breaths. Deep inhale, deep exhale. So now from here, sitting sequence will start. Now bend your both knees, jump front into Dandasana. Just keep your both palms beside of your hips. Lock your chin on your chest. Hold. 1. Rotate your shoulders. Drop your shoulders down. Open your heart. 3. Dandasana. RSG Dandasana. ये चतुरंगा दंडासन है. दंडासन ऐसा होता है. ये Okay. Yeah, we are going for sitting sequence from here. Okay, inhale. Now our next pose is Paschimottanasana. A. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, grab your both big toes from your first two fingers. Inhale, straight your both elbows first. Lengthen your spine, straight your elbows. And exhale, bend your both elbows. Try to touch your elbow on the mat and try to touch your head on your shin bone. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, press your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up, and then exhale, jump back chaturanga. खड़े नहीं होना खड़े नहीं हो रहा है आरएस जी, चतुरंगा में जाना है दोबारा. ओके, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कैसे करना है. तो यू आर हेयर इन Paschimottanasana. So inhale, you completed. Exhale, press your palms. Inhale, lift yourself up, and then jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now we will again jump for Paschimottanasana B. So we will bend our knee, and then again jump front, sit into Dandasana. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go for the Paschimottanasana B. Everybody, inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, grab your feet from up. You have to grab your feet from up like this. Inhale, straight your spine. Again, lengthen your spine. Exhale, move forward from your hip joint and hold. 1, bend your both elbows. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, press your palms. Everybody, कोई skip नहीं करेगा, सब lift करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Sorry, everybody will try to lift their body. If it will happen, it's okay. It will not happen, it is also okay. Press your palms, slightly lift your hips up. Cross your leg and then take your leg into Chaturanga Dandasana. Very nice. Good try, everybody. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees again and again jump for Paschimottanasana C. Okay, inhale, raise your both arms up, grab your feet from outside. Now you have to grab your feet like this from outside. Okay, inhale again, straight your both elbows. Exhale, bend your both elbows and try to touch your head again. Hold there for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, press your palms. Inhale, lift yourself up and exhale again, jump back into Chaturanga. आरएस जी, अगर थोड़ा सा हाथ आगे रखेंगे ना थाइस के बगल में तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, उठा पाओगे आप. यहाँ से थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है अगर आप हिप्स के बगल में. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now everybody jump for Paschimottanasana D. Bend your both knees and jump for Paschimottanasana D. Inhale. Now grab your wrist, right wrist, left wrist. Inhale, arm up, and exhale, go forward. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up, exhale again, press your palms. Inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Relax into downward facing dogs. Just for a few seconds. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Okay, now bend your both legs and jump for Ardha Pad Uttanasana. The previous standing one is Padmottan, but now we will do Uttanasana. It is same. Bend your right leg over your left thigh. It is like we have done it in standing. Now we will do in sitting. Now bend your right leg over your left thigh. Grab your right big toe from your right hand behind your back. Left leg will be straight. Yeah, if you cannot grab, you can use belt or something. Okay. Inhale, left arm up, and exhale. Go forward towards your left leg, and try to touch your head and hold one. आरएस जी नी को पुश करिए, नी को पुश करिए. ये पद्मासन की प्रैक्टिस करा कीजिए ताकि ये थोड़ा फ्री हो जाए.
I have knee problem, so I can't push more.
ओ ओके ओके. हाँ, ज्यादा तब मत करिए, ज्यादा प्रेशर मत डाल. 2 3 4 and 5. Inhale. Again, press your palms. Inhale, come up, and then exhale, press your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up, and then again exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees. Again, jump into Ardha Padma Uttanasana from your left leg. Now bend your left leg over your right thigh. Grab your left feet with your left hand behind your back. Inhale, right arm up, and exhale, go forward towards your right leg and hold it there. 1 2, try to press it. Take your heel will go inside your belly. 3 4 and 5. Again, inhale, come up, exhale, press your palms. Inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both legs and come for Purvottanasana. Sit into Dandasana first. Cross your leg, jump Dandasana. Keep your both palms behind your back. Inhale, lift yourself up for the counter pose, Purvottanasana. Legs straight, Mia, legs straight. Lift your hips up in one line, very nice. Look back, hold 1, and try to touch your both feet on the floor. Don't try to lift it. 3 4 and 5. Now twist your upper body to the left side, look right side. Change your side. You have to twist opposite and see opposite, okay? I'll show you. Okay, now slowly drop your hips down. Lay down on your back. Now press your palms beside your head and lift yourself up for Urdhva Dhanurasana. It's known as wheel pose also, Chakrasana. In Ashtanga, we say Urdhva Dhanurasana. This is a counter pose. Lift your hips up slightly. Very nice. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, hips down. We will do one more round. Again, lift yourself up. 1, hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly, again, hips down. Relax yourself. Now grab your ankle and make bridge pose. Lift your hips up, bridge pose. Again, hold 1. Lift your hips up as much as you can lift. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly drop your hips down. Relax yourself. Bend your both elbows. Hug your elbows. Hug your knees. Bend your both knees. Roll yourself up, down, front, back, side roll. Okay, now sit down in any comfortable position. Cross your legs, just close your eyes. Now join your both palms together in front of a sternum bone. Now we'll chant one time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in.
Shanti.
Shanti. Shanti. Shanti. Now slowly bow down your head towards God. Thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. Now gently open your eyes, remove your palms. Namaste to everyone. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Arji.
Thank you.
Welcome, Mia.